Hi guys, this is Teaching Denzian. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to learn simple money strategies that most people were never taught. In this video, I'm going to show you the hidden way the government quietly makes your money worth less every single year. And no, it's not taxes. If you've ever wondered why your paycheck feels the same, but life keeps getting more expensive, this might be the reason. Have you ever noticed how no matter how hard you work, your money just doesn't seem to grow? You save, you budget, you even invest a little, and yet somehow every year it feels like your wallet is getting lighter, like there's some invisible hand quietly taking a slice out of your paycheck. And no, it's not just taxes. Here's the thing, most people think the government makes you poorer by taking taxes. And yeah, that's obvious, but there's a much sneakier way they do it. And trust me, it's not the kind of thing they put on a billboard. It's called inflation. And it's basically a silent wealth thief. Let me explain. Imagine your money is a little cartoon character, cute, energetic, ready to go buy stuff, invest, grow. But every year, the government prints more money, pumping it into the system. And suddenly, your little money character shows up at the store, and everything costs more. That $5 latte, now $6, gas up, rent up. Even the grocery bill is creeping higher. And the crazy part, inflation doesn't feel like someone's stealing from you directly. You still get your paycheck, you still think you're earning, but in reality, your money buys less than it did yesterday. It's subtle, it's invisible, and it's relentless. Look, I get it. Most people just shrug and say, well, prices go up, that's life. But here's a fact that might shock you. In the last 20 years, the US dollar has lost over 50% of its purchasing power. Over half. That means everything you've been saving quietly lost value without you even noticing. Your money worked, but the system made sure it didn't work for you. And here's where it gets worse. If you're keeping most of your savings in a bank account that earns 0.5% interest, while inflation is running at 4%, your money isn't just standing still, it's actively shrinking. You're literally getting poorer while thinking you're safe. But let me stop scaring you and give you a mental hack. Think of your money like water. If you leave it sitting in a bucket with tiny holes, it slowly drips away. That bucket is your checking account. That's fine for paying bills, but for building real wealth, you need to plug the holes, or better yet, pour it into a stronger container, a container that grows faster than inflation. And that's where investing comes in. Stocks, index funds, real estate, even some alternative assets, they're like supercharged buckets that not only hold your water, but make it multiply over time. The key is understanding that simply saving money isn't enough anymore. It's passive, it's slow, and it's losing battle against the system. Here's the surprise most people miss. The government isn't trying to ruin you, they just want a system that works. But if you blindly follow safe advice, saving in a low interest account, thinking keeping money in cash is safe, you're letting inflation do the heavy lifting up in the wrong direction. So here's what you do. First, know the enemy. Track inflation, watch interest rates, and calculate real returns, not just numbers on paper. Second, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one slow bucket. Third, start as early as possible. Time is your superpower. The earlier you start, the more your money grows faster than inflation can eat it. And remember this, it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about reclaiming control from the invisible forces quietly eroding your wealth. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. So next time you feel frustrated watching your paycheck disappear before your eyes, don't blame yourself. Understand the system, plug the holes, grow smarter, take action now. Because the longer you wait, the more the invisible thief wins, and the harder it is to catch up. You're not powerless, you just need to start thinking like your money is alive, and it deserves to fight back.